Hello. Then now start the from the this is completed. Okay. Then now you arrange you already is result discussed. They are two type, three type tries the method. First try to 190 mm, second try 200, and third is to find the width of the main plate. Okay, then now this is the pitch distance. We already arranged the rebate. The design of cover plate. Length of cover plate is calculated by providing arrangement of bolts and the individual pitch distance. Okay. Width of cover plate must be same as width main plate. Post transmission and uneconomical. Okay. This is the thickness of cover plate is calculated critical section. This is already discussed in the previous slides. And the design strength and together and equal to design action. The formula in the given IS code is N8 upon F P upon 1.25 into 0.9 is greater than equal to 525 kN. This is the critical section. Okay. Then now is the 200 minus 3 into 22 into PC 3 into 4 and 10 for 1.25 and 0.9 is greater than equal to 525 to 1000 is multiplied. Then you get a result TCP equal to 13.27 m. Okay, where TCP equal total thickness of cover plate. Okay, the TCP equal to total in the plate thickness is equal to 13.27 upon 2, and you getting the result equal to 6.6 after calculating. Then you provide the 8 mm each. Okay, there is 8 mm the thickness of the cover plate. Okay, then now you find the result of thickness of cover plate is equal to in the critical section. Okay. Then each cover plate thickness 13.272 exactly the result is then provide the 8 mm. Okay, then now you start the bearing strength of the bolt. The 2.5 kV is already described. The T minimum FBP of 1.25. E is equal to this. All details are given in the IS code. This is all detail. Mentioned in the IS code. This is the E equal to 1.5 T naught. In the number. The 1.5 into T naught equal to 22. Okay. Then E equal to getting the 33. Then P equal to 2.5 P is then P 2.5 into 20 is equal to 50 M. Okay. They now discuss the KB. KB 3 upon the 3 D not equal to 33 upon 3 into 22 equal to 0.2015. Then now you P upon 3 D naught minus 0.25 equal to 0.51. Is the minimum value that you getting the result 0.5 QB upon FB equal to 2 and upon 10 equal to 0.9 is equal to the average value getting the one. Okay, any doubt? result. You know, base strength of a bolt 2.5 kVd, P minimum and 1.25. Then equal to 2.5 and 0.5 and 20 into 12, 8 plus 6, the minimum access of 10 upon 1.25. Okay, this is the 98.4 kilometer. Clear? Then the bearing strength of a bolt is greater than setting strength of a bolt. Bearing strength of a bolt is greater than set of bolt. Then you can calculate the result after the 2.5 into 20 into 12.0 plus 8. This is the getting the result 28.4. The bearing strength of a bolt, then the series strength of a bolt is the greater than size of bolt. Okay. Then now you find the efficiency of joint. How to find the? It is the ratio of minimum load transfer to connection to maximum load carrying capacity of the member. Okay. Then the maximum load carrying capacity is V into Fi upon 1.1. Okay. Then maximum capacity is into Fi upon 1.1. Second is the total setting strength of bolts and 1 into setting strength of bolt. Okay, then total bearing strength of bolt and the bearing strength of bolt. Total bearing is the main plate or critical section. FUPT into FUP over 1.25 into 0.9. With thickness in the cover plate at critical. So now this is number of bolt almost. Okay, now is total number of bolts. Into number of bolts at outermost section. Then N3 is the number of bolts innermost section. Eta M N 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 and 2 and okay. Then calculate efficiency of point of previous questions. Maximum load. Maximum load carrying capacity is raised into Fi upon 1.1 equal to 212 into 250 upon 1.1 equal to 545.45 kilometers. Okay. Then now the total series of the bolt is 6 into 90.54 equal to 543 into 24 kilometers. The total bearing of the bolt is 6 into 98.4 into 590.4 kilometers. Then tearing strength of plane plate 200 minus 1 into 22 into 12 into 410 into 0.1.25. The tearing of the plane plate equal to getting the result is the 630. Okay, you calculate. Okay, then you getting the result. Then tearing of the cover plate. Cover plate is the thickness of 200, 3 to 22, 8 plus 8 is the cover plate. 4 and an FU, 0 point is the value of the what is getting the just is 30.5 kilometer. Okay, beta is still 525, 543, 2 by 545. Of course, this is getting result. Okay, it either give the result is the 525, 525, 45, 4 by 100. Okay, then if getting the result is the eta equal to 96.25 percentage. Okay, then you getting the result 300 into 1.5. Okay, you understand? It's a very easy calculation. But depend on the formula, you remember the formula, then you solve the question. Okay. And still, so that you only maximum you remember the formula. Okay. Then the result you are getting the result in diamond pattern, most economical and efficient arrangement for both and readers. Okay, both. Okay. Then diamond pattern is designed for main plate only. In diamond pattern, critical section is outermost section. The calculate efficiency is question. You are getting the two results. Suppose you just say first the diamond pattern, economic arrangement. Second, diamond pattern designed for the main plate only, and the diamond plate critical section, the outermost section. The three result you had been given to find the result. Very important. This part is three. Okay, calculate efficiency design of diamond pattern. Sections only two equations will be valid in the conditions and loss extent using paper 1.1. The net main plate or critical section B minus B naught will be into Q 1.270. You will do 2 upon 1 into 100. Value representation, efficiency unit in the very condition is 100%. Slag as unit in the very condition conclusion, no future fuel cost question. Total recognition and this because simplicity is big. Okay. So this is butt joint, the design of butt weld. Altogether the butt joint is single side federation. See in the image top view of the image and temporary plate. The design strength causes area into permissible stress, causes the area to be into 518 minimum. Okay. Design strength equal to cross section area into permissible stress, causes the area to be into 518 minimum. Effective thought thickness 518 minimum. Effective thought thickness, it is the thickness of wave portion that is used to transmit applied force. That value is 518 minimum. Permissible stress equal to Fy from gamma and W, where gamma and W to the 1.25 and gamma W 1.5 is 14. Okay. This is the WhatsApp and 14. Between weld connection being to 5.5 upon 80 T time in whereby the temperature reduction in the gradual minus and the gamma NW is going to be to the top surface thickness. Vitamins. Okay. Then you sketch two sides. You see the sketch two double side federation. Design system cause an area to permissible stress cause an area being to T time permissible stress of gamma and W. Okay. What will connection between 50 into Fy gamma and W. Okay. Then you solve the question. You command the equal to 1.25 for solve, and you take the result. You take the value gamma and w equal to 1.25 for the shot and gamma and w 1.5 for the play. Okay. This is the design stand coordinate the permissible situation. This is T minimum. Close B T minimum, thickness minimum, rate, and consider if y gamma m w. Okay, then the butt welded connects. Okay, then now, so this is the butt weld connection is the B into T minimum F by 1 gamma m w. Then we take the value for the gamma m w 1.25 for short and the gamma m w 1.2 for the field. So this is the value of design strength. Okay. Then you provide double side contention will always be provided. Okay. Then design a butt going to connect 14 and 16 chip plates are selected to both the Newton factor both effective length of weld connection is 135 mm. Okay. The safe connection, single side ventilation, double side ventilation. Okay, so we are examining 1.25 and 1.5. Okay, we check the value, single side ventilation, side double side ventilation. Next, the single side one is supposed to be covered, joint covered one. Okay, so the single side, and suppose we get in the suppose this is the use the top that is upon the okay. We use double sign penetration. Then where you gamma 1.25, take the value 1.25 or 1.25. Then solution effective thought thickness the 5.8 T minimum equal to this you have the molar. The thickness of minimum value the 500 is this value and the result. Okay, all are getting the result. So single side penetration. Single side is the I will take the 1.25 and 1.5. You taking the B into of 5/8 T minimum into F5 upon 1.25 equal to 125 into 8.75 into 50 upon 1.25. Okay, this is a getting result the use of the 1. Then you can first to solve this problem. You okay, first you solve getting the 1.5, then you solve. First I take the result is 1.25. Then you take the 1.5, okay, getting value in place of the 1.25. Then you what you get the result to solve. To solve. Okay. दिखाओ सॉल्व करके तुम लोग इसको इसके 1.25 जहाँ हम लोग वैल्यू लिए थे वहाँ उसकी जगह पे तुम 1.5 वैल्यू करो देन यू गेटिंग रिजल्ट व्हाट दिस टाइप ऑफ गेटिंग रिजल्ट सपोज you 1.25 3 and 6 okay first you take the value replace the 1.25 ठीक है बताओ तुम लोग इसको हो गया सॉल्व किए ओके रिजल्ट 380 okay then now the single sign petition देखो the single hand penetration b of into 518 and 8.1 to value okay then you're getting a result 255 तुमको कैसे गलत आया 255 is less than equal to 450 kilometer okay double side penetration sustained and this okay and the values getting the result 1.25 of 490 490 is greater than the 450 kilometers is okay okay design is greater than design action strength equal to b into t minimum alpha upon 1.5 equal to 125 48 to 1.5 okay then you get the result 280 into 3.0 okay then you getting the result 280 into 3. First we solve the question in the place of 1.25 okay suppose you value 1.25 okay first First to take 1.25 a second is equal to 1. Okay. So first we take the value 1.25 and second is the 1.5. This is the okay. This is the no. Okay. Then now we clear. Okay. This is the effective thought thickness is equal to thickness of main member load carrying capacity. Okay. Then now is the effective thought thickness equal to the thickness of main member. Okay. Then load carrying capacity of the dual level connection is equal to strength of main member. Okay. This is now clear. Then now design of fillet weld connection. Okay. In the design of fillet weld connection, you're getting the value. Okay. Design is to cross section area into permissible stress. Mr. L not into S. S1, S2, S2 they get an S2 and zooming value SS. Okay. So this is zoom to the here. The stereo from BB plane AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. SC square equal to S square plus S square. Okay. AC square equal to S square. AC equal to S. Okay. This is the getting the value of stereo from BB plane. This formula you all already remember. What is the AC square the YouTube formula of the length to depth and this. S is S plus S. Okay, S is equal to S square, S is equal to 2. Okay, any doubt? कोई बोलते नहीं हो जी तुम लोग तो डिप्लोमा खोल क्यों नहीं बोलते फ्रॉम DVC. Okay, this is the DVC is the value AC and 2S, AC equal to AC upon 2 equal to 2S upon 2. Okay, so you get to calculate the getting there is the 2 is the cross in the plus 20 equal to between the. Suppose from DVC, BD equal to S square upon S upon W square, BD equal to S square minus S square upon. Okay. Then you start first. Okay. Then if BD is to the exponent square, the BD is square upon S square upon 2, the BD equal to S upon under root 2, the BD equal to 0.7075. To be 0.7 material under estimate, it will be equal to Ks. The K effective thought thickness is coefficient. Okay. Then the difference between angle between fusion faces Q and the thought coefficient K. Suppose 60 degree to 90 degree, take the real thought coefficient to 0.5. ओके, ये के तो के भी फाइंड करते हैं ना, तो के इक्वल टू पुट और थिकनेस इक्वल टू शेप. ओके, 90 डिग्री to 100 degree equal to value 0.65, 1 and 1 degree to 1 0 equal to 0.60 getting value, 107 degree to 113 degree to 0.55, and 114 degree to 122 degree to 0.50. The thought coefficient of an angle between fusion places minimum value of angle would not be less than 60 degree. The maximum value of theta should not be more than 120 degree. Minimum size of weld or minimum size of creator is decided by the thickness member. Maximum size of weld or maximum size of creator is by shear member. Okay. The minimum size of weld or minimum size of creator is decided by thickness theta member. Then the maximum size of whale. How to find this section? I use 65 is 65 and 65 is 6. This is the maximum size of whale equal to first square is given as 1.5 mm and the foreground is equal to 3 upon 4 normal thickness. So minimum size of whale thickness of thicker member 20 to 32 or 32 to 50. Okay, the minimum size of weld equal to 3 mm. You take the value at behalf of the 0 to 10 to 3 mm at 10 to 25 mm and 20 to 30, 20 to suppose the minimum size of weld using the 0.10 and suppose you thicker plate remember the 0.10 mm. Okay, so 3 10 to 20 equal to 5 mm, 30 to 36 mm, 32 to 38 mm. First run 10 mm for the final weld. Okay, the minimum size of weld. Suppose minimum size of weld equal to 5 mm, maximum size of weld being a minus 1.5, 8 minus 1.5, 6.5 mm. Is equal to 5 at 6.5. Okay, so for A, the minimum size of weld is equal to 5 mm. A value is is equal to 5 and 65 mm. You take the two sides value for A के लिए you take the 5 mm. Okay. The minimum size of weld would 5 mm. The maximum size of weld would T minimum 1.5 and T minus 1.5. T minimum value is getting 6 mm minus 1.5 is getting the result 1.5 mm. Okay. Then round is this is the A and B. This is the REA 7.5 square A. Okay. So this is the squarest A or B rounded. So minimum size of weld is 5 mm. Maximum size of weld 3 by 4 3 mm equal to 3 by 4 into 6 equal to 4.5 mm. Okay, this is not possible. Okay, then now this is the bird blind overlap with. Okay, this is the suppose they are not fixed. It is the effective length of the weld portion that is used to transmit a light force is a permissible strength. Permissible is equal to the minimum of ultimate tensile strength of electrode and iron body. Workshop 1.25, field 1.5, ductility materials are weak in shear from principal stage and principal shear capture. Okay. and the fillet weld connection K is equal to L left upon A P upon A and W. If size of weld is not mentioned in the question, then assume minimum size of weld for the conventional function. You take the value, means you take the value of the size, okay. Length weld calculated, length weld the question always be less. This is very important. Important is the you mark the star. Suppose if size of weld not mentioned in the question, then assume minimum size of weld for conventional question. If suppose you use the conventional question, solve the question, minimum size is of 5 mm. Okay, sorry, minimum is 3 mm. So then create weld connection as related to shear phenomenon. If Q is not given, then consider 4 at the minus square. Okay, if gamma MW is not given, then assume 1.25. So wind load equal point load column, gusset plate angle, and gusset plate. So the foundation is column. Okay. This is wind load, then point load, then column, then gusset plate, then angle, then gusset plate, then column, then foundation. Actually, all roads are directly on the foundation. Suppose this is column. Okay. Suppose this is column. This is foundation. Okay. Suppose you this is foundation. Okay, this is foundation. This is column. Okay, the beam. Okay, this is start all of the. Okay. Then suppose main load. This is a fourth on the main load into here. This is point load. This is point load. Okay. Column, column. Okay, the gusset plate. This is the gusset plate. Angle. This is angle. Gusset plate, column, and the foundation. Okay. All will be distributed in on the foundation. Okay. All will be distributed on foundation. That is very important. Okay. Then now is the value is given is a plate and angle value. Cxs y this section with Cxs is Cy equal to h1, right? Okay, the first case one, you take the value when single angle section is connected with gusset plate and welded, provided on the side of angle section. Okay, the state is Cy h1, P equal to P1 plus P2 is the first. Okay, the first section, second section, getting the value Cx, Cy, Yh1 is Pw, positive value. Okay, Cx is equal to the Cy and equal to the H1 height. Okay, the P equal to P1 plus P2 is okay. Okay, this is the value of the moment about P equal to P in our first equation, moment about 2, Cw is positive,